Could this be the most powerful pocket camera ever made? The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 already wowed creators with its sleek design and stellar video quality, but the Pocket 4 might just take things to a whole new level. Expect Hasselblad level image quality, buttery stabilization, lightning fast autofocus, and serious upgrades under the hood. With the official release date set for July 31st, 2025, we're breaking down the confirmed specs, hottest leaks, pricing rumors, and the surprising changes that could make the Pocket 4 your ultimate everyday camera. Alright, first things first, DJI isn't playing safe this time. The Pocket 4 isn't just a refresh of the 3, it's a straight up evolution. One of the most buzzed about rumors? Hasselblad Integration. Yeah, the same name behind those crystal clear shots on DJI's premium drones like the Mavic 4 Pro. Now imagine that tech, those deep colors, the cinematic tone, in a camera that fits in your jeans. Crazy, right? Apparently DJI is even upping their stake in Hasselblad to 75%, which means we might start seeing that signature Hasselblad color science baked directly into DJI's consumer lineup, and the Pocket 4 could be the very first to benefit. Design-wise, things are getting a bit beefier. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to weigh in around 190 grams, a bit chunkier than the last model, but there's a reason. Leaks suggest we're getting a bigger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, up from 2 inches on the Pocket 3. Not just bigger, sharper, and brighter too. 480 by 800 resolution with 800 nits brightness. Translation? You can actually see what you're shooting in sunlight. Also, DJI is apparently giving the grip and button layout a makeover. Think more comfort, better placement, less fumbling around when you're trying to nail that perfect shot. Now let's talk about tech. The Osmo Pocket 4 might feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. That's DSLR level stuff on a stick. Expect sharper details, better performance in low light, and a much wider dynamic range. The ISO range from 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills. Add to that 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR video support, and you're looking at footage that's ready for serious post-production. Oh, and autofocus is getting a glow up too. Leaks say we'll see phase detection and eye tracking autofocus. That means no more missed focus when you're walking and talking. Creators, vloggers, street filmmakers, this is big. Smooth footage is a given with the Osmo Pocket series, but the Pocket 4 could push it even further. Rumors point to a hybrid stabilization system, mechanical plus electronic, keeping shots rock steady even during fast movement or action scenes. Add in the expected Active Track 7.0 and upgraded autofocus, and you've got a camera that seems to follow your every move with uncanny precision. And here's the spicy part, 4K at 240 frames per second. That's double the slow-mo power of the Pocket 3. For creators, that means more flexibility and impact in B-rolls, reels, and cinematic edits. Battery life isn't being left behind either. Better power efficiency plus fast charging to 100% in just 25 minutes with DJI's PD charger, an upgrade from the Pocket 3's 32-minute mark. While the exact capacity is still under wraps, it's expected to top the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh cell. So, price-wise, expect around $699 for the standard Pocket, $400 and $799 for the Creator Combo with extras. It's a bump from the Pocket 3, but with pro-level features, it could be worth it. Casual shooters might stick with the Pocket 3, but creators chasing the latest tech may have found their next favorite camera. Bigger sensor, better stabilization, possible Hasselblad integration, and creator-focused upgrades. This is shaping up to be a game changer. What are you most excited for? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for full launch coverage soon.